Well, hey everybody, and welcome. Guess where we are today? We're over at the Fantasia Market, and that Fantasia Market's located over at the Contemporary Resort. So this is all the way down past the game station. It's the arcade in the Contemporary. So it's a little shop way back in the corner. As you can see, they got the old little magic bands in here, different styles in here as you walk in. This is a general store and a gift store. So they do got the big gift store, the BVD in there, but they also have this little guy, the Fantasia Market, all the way down. As you can see, they've got some mix and match of the food in the background. They've got the drinks in the background. You've got decals in here, magic bands in here. This actually is a cool little shop to get in. If you guys are over here, don't go by this one without walking in it. Don't assume it's a little store. This is actually pretty cool. It's got a lot of stuff wedged in this little dinky shop. And it's funny how every time we come in here, there's always something interesting in here. So you can go into big stores around the different areas and stuff like that, but this one here might actually have that one little item you guys are actually looking for when you're walking through here. It's kind of cool, but they've got just about everything in here. You've got the food like always because it's a general store, but you've got your backpacks, you've got your shirt, you got your ice cream in here, which is always good to have. You've got your alcohol in here, but then you've got all these souvenirs, and some of this stuff's pretty darn interesting. You don't really see it around. You got Morgan and Marley here. They're always in these shops. Make our way around the backside here before we head out of here. It's a small little shop. We always like to film this though. You got your glasses in here. Got some more candies over here and stuff like that. You've got your alcohol section. They've just got interesting little stuff in here. Keep your eyes open when you're walking around. It's just a fun little shop. But if you guys get in here, it's in the back corner. When you guys go down towards the BVD, it's in the back left corner. And it's just past the game station arcade. But once again, if you guys get a chance, please subscribe to the channel. This is the Fantasia Market, and we'll see you guys in the next one.